Oh. Hi. Hello. We're going to learn how to put together a trumpet today. Trumpet's one of my favorite instruments because it's pretty simple. You want to make sure that you have the case positioned the correct way. Most cases are going to have some type of emblem. This is a Yamaha case. Another way is that the latch is going to always be at the top. So if you open up the latches, they're going to fall down, and they should hopefully be at the top of the case. If you open it upside down and the trumpet falls out, not a good thing. Don't do that. Okay? The trumpet itself, inside the case, has two main parts. Has the main trumpet, has the mouthpiece. Put the mouthpiece into the lead pipe, give it a small twist, and you've completed the assembly of a trumpet.